Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to this session. And it's been a really long time that I have uploaded any video so far. I have, sorry about that. So, it's been a really long time, I would say, and I was more focused on, that the cracking the interviews, or I was just getting rejected all over time. And then suddenly I realized that, why I, you know, quit the, producing the video day by day, and that was really my motive to actually one or two times go through the SQL part, go through the Python part, what are going on, all those technologies, just go through it at least, right? But I would say that I was distracted, and now here I am, right? So I'll be continuing, and let's say that that we are I am back again, and still I don't have any offer letter, and still I'm working on the same company for 1 year, and we know that we failed as to crack the interview, because at couples of interviews we had couples and couples of interviews, and every time we failed to crack it. Now came again, I'm here, and start with the basics, start with the scratch, and let's do it, right? So today we'll be working and talking about more uh, SQL, and in the SQL that how to say that I will be picking up the most important topics, like normalization that can be asked in the interview. Like for the today's session we'll be talking about the joins. So let's begin it, right? So what is a join actually, first of all? So join means that the simple English word is that the joining. It's something getting together, making things together, right? So since we are talking about the SQL and dealing with the tables out here, so we are talking about tables here. So join means that the joining the tables, and that's what it works for it. So we need it actually, right? Let's say that why we need joins. So I would say that, let's say you have your uh, let's say a student, right? Student in the student table. So student table, you will having a student name, roll number, subjects, and related to student whatever is that. And other hand, that let's consider that you have the teacher things. So you'll be having teacher salary, and when he joined, what he teaches, right? All those things, and years of experiences, right, you will be having. So I just want that one table separately, that which teacher is teaching to which student. So we have here, I just mentioned that the two tables we have it for the student and the for the teachers. So I just want to know that I just want some table that will having teacher name, and accordingly that teacher is teaching to the some students. So that's what actually joins plays a really good actually role here. So, and for that actually joins have a you know four types or five types out there that we'll be talking about. So first part is that the inner join. For the joins, so only matching data from both table. The definition says, other definition says also that inner join keyword selects record that have matching value in both table. Let's say inner join keyword selects record, inner value keyword selects record that have matching values in both table. So matching values in both table, right? If something is matching in the both table, like student and college, sorry, teachers one, then it will come and play a good role here. So that's how. And syntax we have here, that says that the select column name from table 1 inner join table 2 on table 1 dot column underscore name equals to table 2 column underscore name. So that's how. So again, we're gonna be talking about the inner join. Inner join, what is that? It selects that keyword that is matching in the both table, matching values in the both table. Sorry about that. So left join, what is left join? Coming to the next part. So left join returns all the records from the left table. Left join returns all the records from the left table. It returns all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table. So all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table, we call it left join. So that's really actually interesting. Now coming to the syntax part. So here we have the select column name we have, and from table 1 left join table 2 on table 1 equals to table 2 dot column name. Now coming to the right join. So right join is that similarly that what we have done in the previous one for the left join. Right join is says that the uh, all the records from the right and matching from the left, we call it right join. So let's see and read it out the definition again here. Right join keyword return all records from the right table as I said, and the matching records from the left table. So that's how it works. Syntax is like, select column name from table 1 right join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equals to table 2 dot column name. So that's how is it. Now coming to the last type of join, we have it full join. So full join keyword returns all record when there is a match in left or right table. So it returns the full join returns the all the records from the left and the right if there is a match. So these things, coming to the syntax part, select column name from table 1 full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column underscore name equals to table 2 dot column underscore name where condition. So that's how it is all about. So you might have confused between inner join and the full join. So inner join we have talked about, matching the things from the two table, and here we are also talking about similarly that the returning the all the records from the two table. So what are the differences? So let's talk about. So inner versus full join, what we have it. So inner join only matching rows as we know the definition. So full join all rows matched or unmatched. So in full joins what you will get that the all rows match or unmatched. If something is unmatched also you will get it, or matched you will also get it. Unmatched so in the inner join unmatched rows will be ignored. It's not will be same like full join. So unmatched rows will be ignored, and it will be not ignored in the full join, right? Full join includes with the nulls also. So nulls values will be excluded at the inner join, but here that nulls value will be coming up. And when to use, so when you, for the inner join I'm talking about when to use, when you need only related data, so the inner join will comes to you, and when you want all data, then go with the full join. So guys, hope you like the video, and it's been, how can I say that, I was just, I had it in mind that I will again go with it again, coming to at least try to talk about the things out there, right? So that I can do remember at least, right? I was just thinking that the when to start, and I was totally lazy about that. So I would say that it's hard to take a first step, but once you get it, so you will be more comfortable. So that's how in the interview part as well. Once you crack it, then you will be flowing like a water. So the best part is that the and the difficult part, I would say that the cracking the interview. So our coming agenda would be like that the cracking a IT job, like that the well-paid job, and that what kind of roles that suits for me. So the job I'm doing is just repetition of work, is like operational things. So I would say that the automation can easily replace it. So that's why actually I'm looking forward for a job that never gonna be ending, like AI engineers, machine learning engineers, and back-end developers are still, there's a chance you can crack it, and let's go with it. And will be every day I will be uploading these things, like coming with the topics, hot topics that can be asked in the interview. So that's all of my time for the today, guys, and hope you enjoy the video. So see you in the next, catch you in the next. Till then, bye.